Throughout my life, I've come to realize that the world needs dreamers and the world needs doers. But most of all, the world needs dreamers that do. In these past couple months, I've been trying to figure out where my next path leads. I've decided to take my, what was just a car hobby, to the next level. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna afford it. Needless to say, I'm glad to share it with all of you. You guys, I don't know what to say. My absence has been unforgivable, and you have my deepest apologies. However, I had something in the works, and I didn't want to speak too soon because if it didn't go through, then I would feel, pretty silly. But I have some big news. And before we get into that, I want to thank everyone for joining me back in, and thank you for sticking around. Well, guys, I don't know how else to say it, but I got a shop! Come on! Anyway, guys, this is the place. Right now, I have the mini truck pulled in, and my sister is working on her Civic, but I'll just show you around real quick. All right, so you come over here. We have the workstation, very nice. We have the scrap metal pile, as well as, nobody even cares about that shit. All right, come this way. This area is the area I'm most proud of. This is my welding and fab area. I don't have that much equipment now, but I have all my basic machines, lights, drill presses, and everything to hopefully make whatever I want in the future. This is my sister, and that is her Civic. It has a blown motor, so she's dealing with that right now. But today we're gonna chop the muffler off of the Tacoma and put a flowmaster exhaust on it. So I'll show you how I do that. Well, I just took my trusty friend the Sawzall and I hacked off the muffler. Luckily I have a replacement, but you have to start it up to see how it sounds. You have to start it up to see how awful it sounds. We're gonna go ahead and this is a flowmaster I picked up. I don't remember what series. I will drop the part in the description. So if you're looking to get a flowmaster for your Tacoma, this is what you look forward to. I don't know, I just want it to be rowdy like my other cars. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how to fit this on. Kind of position how high and what angle I wanted the muffler at. And then I took my welder underneath and I tacked it just strong enough to pull the whole exhaust system out. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this up and then zip it on and see how it sounds.